Common English questions and answers. How are you? I'm good, thank you. How about you? What's your name? My name is, your name. Where are you from? I'm from, your country, city. What do you do for a living? I work as, your occupation. Can you tell me about yourself? Sure, I'm, brief description about yourself. How was your day? It was good, thanks. How about yours? What are your hobbies? I enjoy, your hobbies, such as, example, reading, hiking. What's your favorite food? I love, your favorite food, especially, example, pizza. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling. I've been to some places you've visited.